All right, so in this video, I'm going to be detailing the kitchen. Now, this is going to be going over the primary kitchen. When you're here at the property, you'll note that there is a butler kitchen right off of the main kitchen, which is going to lead you into the main dining room and the great room. But for this video, we're going to be going over the main kitchen. Now, as you can see, kind of taking a quick little tour of the kitchen, we have a number of different appliances available, and I'll have some separate videos going over the exact usage of some of these appliances, how you can get them to turn on. In this video, we're just going to be kind of going through the different drawers so you can locate various items that you may be looking for while you're using the kitchen at the property. Now, starting from the left, we're going to have this top drawer, and that's going to be kind of some random knickknacks. We have some lobster claw openers. So if you're enjoying some lobster or some other crustaceans, we have some openers for you to be able to use to get into those little guys. We have some various towels and aluminum foil, some various pot holders and cooking aprons, and then we have some extra coffee on the bottom. Now moving to the right, you're going to have some pull-out trash cans. And above that, we're going to have some napkins. To the right, you're going to have the sink area. And so here's where you're going to find all of some different soaps, some cleaners, some dishwasher detergent. In this house, there are actually 3 dishwashers. And so we have plenty of dishwasher detergent here for your use for all 3 of those. You'll also note that we do have a garbage disposal. Now that garbage disposal is not going to be functioning on a switch like maybe you have at home or a button on the countertop. The way that this one is going to work is when you have the sink open, you're going to have this little drain plug basically. You'll put this down into here and turn, and it should turn on. Now, you'll note that when I turned this on immediately just now, nothing happened, and that is because it does have a backup switch, a backup on-off switch, and that's going to be this switch right here on the right-hand side. So when I originally put this in and turned it, nothing happened, and that was because the switch was off. And so if you're having that problem, check to make sure that that switch is not turned off by accident. Right now it is on, so if I were to just take this and go in here, it would turn on just like that. All right, so that's the garbage disposal and some of the other cabinets. To the right of that, we're gonna have our first dishwasher in the property. To the right of that, you're gonna have just kind of a random drawer of all sorts of different things: scissors, phone chargers, let's see, some glass storage. We have some cutting boards below that, 3rd drawer down. And then we also have some decorative plates and some nicer napkins in that bottom drawer for you. Now, if we come over here to the right and we start looking through the rest of the kitchen, to the left of the fridge, we have a nice big pull-out for storage. So if you're staying here for a while, you have plenty of space to be able to put some of your food or pantry items in this pull-out cabinet. We have the refrigerator. And then if we kind of work our way across the top, we'll come back down below in a second, but across the top in these upper cabinets, we have some glassware and some plateware for you, some bowls. Now this is going to be where the microwave is hidden. Now this is a simple, just push this open and you can press your buttons. We have some additional glassware on the right of the microwave, and then some additional plates as well. So lots of glasses and plates. And then if we come back down here to the left and we start going through our drawers, the top drawer to the right of the refrigerator is going to be where you have all of your utensils. Now we have some normal utensils, some forks, spoons, various sizes of those. We also have some little soup spoons, as well as some steak knives in the back of it as well. Second drawer is going to be some additional silverware in both of these zip-ups. If you're having a nice formal party, feel free to use those. And then lastly, a third set in that bottom drawer. Now to the right of that is going to be some additional kitchen equipment. You're going to have some can openers, some ice cream scoops. We have a couple different sets of teaspoon and tablespoon measurers. We have a pizza cutter, an apple slicer, peeler, and some corkscrews. Below that, we have some additional bowls as well. And then lastly, on the third drawer down, we have some slow cookers, some crock pots. To the right of that is going to be some plastic wrap and some plastic spoons, some parchment paper, some additional bowls and additional soup spoons, and then a larger Dutch oven and some mixing bowls on that bottom drawer. Now to the right, we have this Lazy Susan cabinet, and in here you're going to have some tongs, some various tongs, as well as some bowls as well. To the right of that, you're going to have dishwasher number 2. We have our second cabinet, also that contains some dishwasher detergent, as well as another garbage disposal. To the right of that is going to be some more cookware, and below that, an additional trash can. All right, we're in the home stretch of the kitchen tour. Now to the right of the trash can right there, you're gonna have another Lazy Susan with some additional pots. We have a Magic Bullet, some pans. In here is gonna be some wooden cooking utensils, some spatulas and a grater, and then some additional Ziplocs. Now we have the gas range right here, and below that is going to be more cookware. So you're going to have some Le Creuset pots, as well as some pans and the lids that go with them. And in this bottom drawer, you're going to have some additional ones as well. Now moving to the right, we're almost done with our cabinet tour. You're going to have some additional cookware. This is empty for storage, available for you to put your things in. And then same thing with the bottom drawer. And then lastly, to the right on our bottom cabinet tour, we have some additional grill pans and lids as well. We have a nice little spice rack. I do want to point out here, let's hope that you never need it, but we do have a fire blanket ready to go, available at the ready should you ever have an issue and you need to use it. To the right, we have a little spice rack that pulls out. And then above that, we're going to have some additional glassware, some mugs, and some more plates. Now to the left of the stove, we have another pull out. You can put some spices in there. We have some additional cookware and the toaster on the countertop. And then to the left of it, we have some storage available for you for any cooking items that you may have with you. I'm going to do a separate video outlining how to use each of the appliances that you can find in this kitchen, as well as the third dishwasher, which is located to the right in the butler pantry over there.